Do you remember when you were a kid and you liked to walk in puddles? Well, nothing says that you can't do that now, right? So explore fun nature sensory experiences that return your sense of childlike wonder. Why not? And spring is a perfect time to get into those puddles and walk in them. And this one's really cool because it's in the grass. So walking through this, the earth underneath is just so spongy and quite satisfying to walk in. So I encourage you to find a sensory experience in nature that is satisfying, that reminds you of childlike wonder and play.